In a bowl, crack 2 eggs. Add half tablespoon baking powder. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Whisk thoroughly. Add 1 cup of milk and mix. Sieve into 150 milliliters flour. Mix thoroughly. Coat the pan with 1½ tablespoon sugar. Cut the banana and line the bottom of the pan. Pour in the mix in a circular form. Cover and place on fire. Cook on low heat for 7 minutes. Flip to the other side using a plate. Coat the pan with 1 tablespoon oil. Cook on low heat for 3 minutes.